Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your WhatsApp status. Let's get started. First, open the app or website where your link is located. Tap on the Share option and select Copy Link to copy the full URL. Next, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Updates tab. Under the Status section, tap on Add Status. Now select the Text Status option. Tap and hold anywhere on the screen, and when the pop-up appears, choose Paste. Your copied link will appear in the text area, and it will automatically become clickable. Once everything looks good, tap the Send button to post your status. Now your status will be uploaded, and anyone who views it can tap the link to open the web page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.